with Triple M. Should I head north or south? Here we go. Guys, there's something I can't really hear what's going on. Oh, he's just made a kill. Hold on. Looks like Madiba's just made a kill. He's caught a domestic dog. I'm not sure. It could have come in from the villages. This is not something we see very normally. We're going to have a look. I know it's going to be quite difficult for you guys. So this is very unusual behavior. Occasionally domestic dogs will move through from the community areas. This is not something we see every day. So it looks like he's just caught this domestic dog.
No, that's what you call a dog
Sorry guys, I'm a bit of a loss of words at the moment. When I first saw it, it looked like a steenbok, but obviously we can see now it is not a steenbok. So obviously one of these domestic dogs has wandered through from the fence line into the reserve. And of course this is a reality that happens quite often all over Africa. Leopards are actually very fond of dogs, and in areas where a lot of the natural prey has been removed, they will feed off domestic dogs. There's a population of leopards that live within the city of Durban in South Africa, in a ravine area called Kloof, that feed off domestic dogs regularly. And also the leopards that live around Johannesburg and stuff like that will also regularly feed off dogs.
Right when it passed us, and I got the whole video.
And it is a reality of living in the bush. So obviously this is also one of the big dangers. Domestic dogs pose a really big danger to a lot of wildlife. They are one of the carriers of rabies and canine distemper and other diseases. Fortunately, there were 2 dogs, actually I've just heard from Tax that he just grabbed one, and the fact that there are 2 dogs, it's very unlikely that they are carrying rabies or whatnot, but this is definitely not something we see on a daily basis. You might find even the 2 dogs might have tried to chase him and then pushed him into this position of having to catch one of them.
Right there, that's when it first jumps.
And this is a first for me in the Sabi Sands. I have occasionally seen domestic dogs that have meandered into the park. This is the first time I've ever seen a leopard catch one and take it up a tree. Tax, did he bumper both?
Just number one. The aim was coming that side, and the dog was just running on the road. Surprise was just coming. When we saw Surprise coming from the other side, we thought he's coming with the 2 English. And when we get close, so dog
So there's quite a lot of giggles going on between the rangers and trackers around here. This is definitely not a normal sighting.
Is the dog's eat or his friends?
And this is a perfect example how all predators out here are opportunists. So he has seen an opportunity at a relatively easy meal and he has taken it.